So in this video, we're going to show you how to replace the key fob battery in a Ford Focus, Cougar, Fiesta key fob. So you have tabs on the end with the ring, and what you do is you press both of those in with your fingers, which releases the front panel. You then pop out the key, which leaves you with an opening at the end where the key was. Put your flat bladed screwdriver in and turn it, and that opens the key and gives you access to the battery. Use your flat bladed screwdriver to remove the battery. Now on this one, we're going to use a Duracell battery to replace it. You bob your battery back in. You then line up your key fob and clip that back together. You then put your blade back in with a tip first and then press that in. And then the wider end of the Ford plate, the backing plate, pop in at that end and then clip down. And that is job done. Battery key fob changed.